Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I already did my eyebrows off camera using the Brow Bar by Remy in Dark and my Too Faced Warm Beige Concealer. I'm going in with the P. Louise base in Rumor 04. This is a great eyeshadow base for anybody out there. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Loose Setting Powder in Blondie, just to set that base in. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty NUDE palette. Going in with the shade Lace. It's a real pretty lavender purple. And this palette has a lot of eyeshadows that is very buildable. Going in with the shade Spanked. Just gonna pop that in the outer corner of my eyes. Now I'm going back in with the P. Louise base just to make a little cut crease. I'll be using the shade Concealed just to go over the cut crease. Now I'm going back into Spank just to blend out where I started the cut crease. Really want to make sure everything is blended. Now I'm going in with Bare just to lighten up the cut crease. I love my Glow Up Academy glitters. I'm using Sweet 16 on my eyes. Such a cute purple. So I decided to do glitter eyeliner. Now I'm going in with my Touch and Soul No Pore Problem primer. I freaking love this stuff. I'm using my Wet n Wild foundation in Caramel. Okay, so I know it's looking a bit dark, but don't worry, I promise. By the end of this video, everything's gonna look fabulous. And I'm going in with my Too Faced Concealer in Warm Beige. I'm using the Dewy setting spray by Anastasia, along with my little beauty sponge just to set that concealer in place and blend it out. I'm going back in with my Huda Beauty loose setting powder in Blondie. Setting in that concealer. Now I'm also going to use it to set my whole face. I'm using the Morphe 8H Highlight Plus Contour Palette. I'm using my LA Girl Shockwave Liner in Vivid. Going back into the palette and using Spank just to smoke out my under eye. I'm using the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in Snowflake. Gonna pop that in the inner corners of my eye. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Blush Palette 8W. Ooh, a little bit too harsh. I'm gonna tone that down just a tad. Gotta pop some highlighter on. Ooh. It's so icy, just ooh, look at it, yes. Using the MB Lashes in Light. Now I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty and my Dose of Color Liquid Lipstick in Can You Not. It's the perfect duo for an ombre lip. I hope you guys love this tutorial on my purple glitter eyes. I love you guys. See you all next time.